My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Clown. So Clown is a special ransomware that is from the Chaos ransomware family. This particular ransomware is able to encrypt the files and damage them considerably. Well, of course, my video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. And I'll show you how to avoid this ransomware. Actually, before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files, pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Then very soon users realize that they cannot use their data anymore. This ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. Very soon people see the negative consequences of the ransomware attack. So normally after people restart their systems, they realize the damage that was caused by this ransomware. So now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. Whenever you try to open the specific file, you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with this Clown additionally appended extension. The ransomware tells its victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery, which is the tremendous amount of money. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't pay that ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately. We suggest that you use some Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page computer.The. Download it, install it, and then start researching your system. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in this mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other types of computer infections. So you need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully accomplished. And then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system. You will also be able to know the exact locations of threats on your device. Please pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from all further ransomware attacks. So as I said, there is a special feature in Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware, but this feature would not decrypt files. It only helps to actually remove this ransomware and to protect the files from being damaged in the future. At the end of the scanning, as I said, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed. You will be able to know their exact locations. Please consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution for protecting the data.